Alright, just kind of walking around now. Been here about 15 minutes. See, this is, I would like to do this. Look at that. I'd like to have those boxes. Signed by Cayman.
Oh my gosh, this is going so hardcore.
And Bob Benny and Mr. Ed. Mike, Barry. And Bruce.
How are you?
Hey, good. Great. Good to see you. Let's walk through more of the middle here. Just got some coffee. These guys here at the Rossman Apiaries, they always supply the coffee, and it's good stuff. I don't know if they have I think they make their own coffee too. Yeah, they grind their own beans. It's great coffee. Copper Canyon. Excuse me. Alright, so entrance is straight ahead. Right there are the exit as well.
Let's get some coffee in.
So this is what I like about Mann Lake. I may grab some of this. I like this Pro Winter. And I like their Pro Suite. And I hate that they shut down their store by me because I can't get this stuff unless I want it shipped.